Make boogie, let's rock. You don't stop. Rock the rhythm and make your body rock. Well, so far you've heard my voice, but I brought two friends along. And next on the mic is my man. Hey, come on, hey, sing that song. Check it out when I'm hip to dip. Today's hip, the women fight for my daylight. I'm grand master with the 3 MCs that shot the house with the young ladies. When you come inside and do the funk, you do the freaks band, you do the bump. When the sucker MC try to prove a point, you turn to kill. This is true enjoy. No Sunday from day to day. I sit down and write a brand new rhyme because the saying that miracles never cease. I create and devastate the masterpiece when you rock the mic. They can't resist. Everybody, I say it goes like this. I was coming home late one dark afternoon. Reporter stopped me for an ink and you said, she served favors on a mission on the mic. Hey, in the turntable, this show reporter, I did it do. Start rocking through the job like I never did before. Since then, like I'm in love with you. Passing over the ledge, you must have been true. I said, by the way, baby, what did you think? I said, oh, my baby, you always said, you be my boyfriend, you sure they can. Superman, it said, he's a fairy, I do suppose. Fly to the air, and play the hose, you be here, sex or even cute. But he looks like a sucker in a blue red suit. I said, he need a man who's got for him. And his own name across his chest and be able to fly off through the night. But can he rock a party to the early light? He can satisfy you with his little word. But I'll bust you out my super sperm. I go do it. I go do it. I go do it. And I'm here. And I'm there. I'm big bad shit. I'm everywhere. Just throw your hands out in the air. The party hardy like you just don't care. Just love you. Stop, y'all. You don't stop. Look at hotel. If your girl starts acting up, then you take no friend. I just give God, what can I say? I care for the ball inside my OJ, so I just take care. Most of my, you the rest of it to keep the shot down. A T-E-R, I believe. And I go by the unforgettable name of the man, another Master G. Where my name is known all over the world. Now, Foxy Lady is a pretty good. We go down in history, it's bad rappers that ever do me. I'm here to hide, you know, feel the hope. It's pretty good. This man is rapping to me. If he starts getting into you, so stop stomping your fingers and popping your feet and moving your body while you sit in your seat and say bam. You start doing the freak, I said bam. Right out of your seat, and then you throw your hands high in the air. Your body up to the air. You're right to the beat without a care. It's too tight, it's his body, man. No, it's all back to the rest of the game, but I rap to the beat, just to say. Little face, and a pair of brown eyes, I hear two ladies say hit me tight, singing on and on and on and on and on. The beat don't stop until we break it up. Sing on and on and on and on and on. Like the hop to the bop, baby, the bop, you don't dare stop. Come alive, y'all, let me give you what you got. I guess by now you can take a hunch and find that I am the baby of the bunch, but that's okay, it's to keep it stride. It's here to do is just to boogie behind, on and on and on. The beat don't stop until we break it down. Sing on and on and on and on and on. I'm gonna move you out of this atmosphere, cause I'm one of a kind and I'll shock your mind. I'm gonna take you to get you over behind. I said 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, girls, get on the floor. Come alive, y'all. Get what you got, cause I'm guaranteed to make you rock. I said 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me, woman, what are you waiting for? I said hip. Hop, the hip it, the hop, you don't stop, a rocket to the bank, man, go stay up, jump the boogie, to the rhythm, boogie to beat. Let's get a rock we do. Guess what? America, we love you. Cause it's rock and roll with so much soul. You can rock till you're 101 years old. I don't need to brag, I don't need to boast. When it's like out, butter on a breakfast toast, rock it out. I made my brother, to the boogie, bang, the boogie to the beat. Beat is so unique. Come on, everybody, and dance with me. Yeah, we went over. My friends out to eat, and the food just ain't no good. I'm gonna be the macaroni, salt, and the peas all mud, and the chicken tastes like wood. I said, you try to play it off like you think you can't pass saying that's your fault. They said, very love is being polite. He ain't finished all let's go. I said, they can think of a lie, ate the steak that you already ate. And the friend there's plenty of food so impossible on your plate. And what is thinking food steaming to my sausage good of the moment it stopped to leave? And then you look at your plate and the chickens are rotten and something that looks like cheese. I should have eaten. And then I gotta leave this place. I don't care what these people think. I'm just sitting here making myself nauseous with this ugly food that stinks. So you bust out the door, I still sip from the food you ate. And then you run to the store for quick relief from a bottle of KO Pectate. And then you call your friend 2 weeks later to see how he has been. And he says, I understand about the food, baby, Bubba, we're still friends. But when they hip, hop, the hip, hop, you don't stop or rock to the bang, bang. We stay up, jump the way to the rhythm of the way it'll be.
Chip out!